Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Insight, and today I'm reviewing Xiaomi Mi Mix 4, which is expected to launch on 10th August 2021. So let's begin with the review.
Alright, let's talk about the news from Xiaomi first. The Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 launch date is set for August 10. Xiaomi announced on Wednesday through a teaser release on Weibo. The new Mi Mix phone is expected to be having a list of upgrades over the existing Mi Mix 3 and Mi Mix 3 5G and may carry an under-display camera. Alongside the Mi Mix 4, Xiaomi is launching some other devices at its large-scale August 10 event. This could include some of its new smartphones and tablets. The event is notably taking place yesterday before Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event, where it is set to unveil its new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold and Galaxy Z Flip foldable phones. Xiaomi has posted the teaser image to announce the launch date for the Mi Mix 4. This comes months after Xiaomi CEO Li Jin confirmed the Mi Mix 4 arrival in February. The August 10 event by Xiaomi is also set to bring several other new devices, Jin mentioned in a note posted on Weibo. On Tuesday, those devices could include smartphones including the rumored Mi SCC11 and the company's new tablets. There are rumors that Xiaomi is currently working on Mi Pad 5, Mi Pad 5 Pro and Mi Pad 5 Lite as three of its new Android tablet models. By setting its event for August 10, Xiaomi seems to have plans to upstage Samsung and its Galaxy Unpacked event. The South Korean giant is expected to unveil the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Z Flip 3 foldable phones, as well as the Galaxy Watch 4 smartphone or smartwatch and the Galaxy Bud 2 earbuds at its event on August 11. The new foldable phones from Samsung may face heat from Xiaomi's Mi Mix 4, though the Chinese company is also rumored to have its foldable phones in the work. Mi Mix 4 specification expected rumored. Although details about the Mi Mix 4 are yet to be officially announced, the phone has been a part of the rumor mill for some time. It purportedly appeared on China's certification site TENA with a model number 2106118C. A renderer also suggested that the Mi Mix 4 could also feature a completely invisible under-display selfie camera and a secondary display at the back, just like the Mi 11 Ultra. However, a tipster on Weibo recently indicated that the new Mi Mix 4 would not come with secondary display and may instead feature a 6.7-inch
Full HD plus OLED display.
This phone, the Mi Mix 4, is also rumored to have a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Plus SoC and carry a triple rear camera setup with a primary 50MP Samsung GN1 sensor. It's also said to have a 5000 mAh battery with 120-watt fast charging. Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 launch is still a week away. Nevertheless, considering the historical records of Xiaomi, we are likely to start seeing the teasers confirming some of its key features in the coming days. Now, let's go for the full review of the Xiaomi Mi Mix 4. So, till now what you were hearing or seeing was the news from Xiaomi about the Mi Mix 4. Let's begin. As we go for the full review of the smartphone Xiaomi Mi Mix 4, it is an upcoming mobile by Xiaomi. The phone is rumored to come with a 6.67-inch display. Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 comes with a 12GB of RAM. The Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 is rumored to run the Android 11 and is expected to be powered by the 5000 mAh battery. The Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 supports proprietary fast charging. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 is rumored to pack a quad camera setup featuring a 50MP primary camera. The rear camera setup has autofocus. It is rumored to spot a single camera setup for the selfies. Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 runs MIUI and is based on the Android 11. When you talk about the connectivity of this smartphone, it's set to include the Wi-Fi 8 and 2.11a by B by G by and by AC, GPS and USB Type-C. Sensors of the phone are rumored to include the accelerometer, ambient light sensor, gyroscope, proximity sensor and fingerprint sensor. If you want to see the full specification of the smartphone, I can repeat all the things and all the things which is included and excluded from what I said right now. So let's begin with that also. When we talk about the advantage of by 4 is that it is having the full HD display, large battery capacity, wireless charging, waterproof and dustproof, huge internal storage. When we talk about the disadvantage of beware of this smartphone, it is very expensive, high price, and it is having no expandable storage or memory. Means this phone, you can't extend your memory in this phone. Note that. And when we talk about the verdict from my side, Xiaomi Mi Mix 4 is one of the best mobiles in the market. It comprises of every advanced feature starting from well-built, strong, high-end, a fast-performing processor with copious RAM and which gives an uninterrupted performance while playing online games, multitasking, and it is equipped with the dual rear cameras and with the high megapixels, which produces an amazing colorful detailed pictures. And the front camera has also a high megapixel, which yields nice selfies. However, being a flagship handset, it must have included the option of expandable memory. That's why there is a disadvantage that it's very expensive and it is non-expandable memory for the smartphone.
When you take the price, it is expected to be rupees 57,990, expected to be launched on August 10, 2021, as I told in the starting. The base variant is 6GB of RAM, 128GB of internal storage of the Xiaomi Mi Mix 4, and which is expected to be available in black and gold color. But there's another option for the RAM, which is 12GB of RAM. There may be more storage options also. This phone, the Xiaomi Mi Mix 4, is not yet announced. This product has not been announced yet and is based on unofficial specifications. If you want more tech videos like this, you have to subscribe. After subscribing, you have to share with your friends, relatives, family members who you know. And if you want to check out my previous video, the review Oppo Reno 6 Pro 5G, click here. And if you want to watch the Asus Chromebook, all the 4 Chromebooks review, click here. Thank you so much for watching. My name is John. This is Tech and Sir. I'll catch you in the next one.